good. You can take them like this and dip them right in here. And they are so good with Modelo dark beer. And I love Modelo dark beer. And it makes my HandiCorn glow. We're here at Casa Linda. That's Linda right there. She's over here. She's a very, very famous woman. And she has a beautiful restaurant. And everybody in here right now is so tired from the hurricane. And Miss Linda is like, you know it, you know it. Come and have some tacos. You know it, you know it. Well, I'm going to enjoy my Modelo and my burrito right here. And I'm going to have a nice night with my family. This is HandiCorn saying to all you Irma survivors, we love you.